wonder where...
It looks like these hotspots are protected by shield generators. Getting near them will be tricky, but you'll have to shut down each one before you can take out the main hub, which of course is protected by even more Zin. So, good luck with that.
So, what exactly is a hotspot?
Basically a giant work
Sure thing.
station. A system like the simulation you're in probably requires constant maintenance, which is what these seem to be for.
Is this the only one?
Of course not.
Jesus, would you look at the size of that thing?
Focus on the shield generators, otherwise you'll never get to the main console.
All hail to me! All right! Guess I just pull these out. See who needs hacking skills when brute strength works. On to the next. Ah!
If you shut down, you can get to the console at the base of the structure.
Oh, sure, no problem.
Reinforcements engaged.
Let's do this. Done.
I'm showing some strange readings close to you.
Okay, fiery sky and rain can't be good. What the fuck is that thing?
I don't know, but it isn't reading like a normal Zin. I think you can integrate your code.
And that means what?
It means once you take him down, get close enough, and I think you can absorb him.
Yeah, because I want that inside me. Goes nothing. Now that's a rush!
Hey, it worked!
Yes, bravo. Perhaps my wardens underestimated you. I won't let them make the same mistake twice.
That can't be good.
Forget about him, Kinzie. How about setting up one of those training rooms for me?
I think I can do that.
So what did I get? Huh? Teleportation? Laser vision? Bone claws? Please let it be bone claws.
Whoa. Looks like the ability to freeze people and objects with an ice blast.
That sounds awesome!
Let me load up a few targets from the simulation for you.
Hold on. Are you putting in people who will try to kill me?
Don't worry, these are safe programs. You can't die from them.
Doesn't anyone learn? What's this?
It looks like data clusters can be hidden inside walls. Use your blast to knock them out.
Oh, shit! Hell of an entrance there, guy.
I'll see if I can help with that. Okay, you should be able to recover from being knocked back now. Hold on. It looks like Zinyak added a shield to the warden code. I guess you pissed him off.
What else is new? So how do I get around it?
You'll need something more powerful than a weapon, so use your superpowers to deactivate the shield for a short time. Then you can shoot him. See? That works pretty well. Though the real thing might be a bit tougher.
You know how you like blowing things up? Well, I found you a tank already and waiting for you to go to town with. That way I can see just how much the simulation can take.
Mass destruction always relaxes me. Pretty sure having rim jobs work on a car will save the vehicle.
You bet, boss.
I'll down for you to load later. Why don't you take a car there and customize it or something?
That's why I get paid the big bucks. Who fucking cares if it's used?
Give me that bass. 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 Give me that bass.
Look, if you was
I've constructed a door that'll allow your mind to get out of the simulation and back into your body. Head toward it.
Got it. Fill me in, Kinsey. What do we know about the Zen invasion?
The good news is they didn't get everybody. Just a whole bunch of people. According to what I've been able to decipher, the simulation is designed to house the best and the brightest specimens from various worlds.
The best and brightest from an entire planet? How big is this thing?
Big. But they haven't gotten to all of Earth yet. Just the major cities. Last I heard, Oleg was up at Camp David. That area doesn't look like it's been hit yet.
Okay, so we got people left on Earth. Good to know.
Once you're free from the simulation, it can sever your connection to the Zen Matrix.
This will allow me to retrieve your body here in the real world without you suffering permanent brain damage.
Where am I in the real world? Like, what are they doing to my body?
It's in a safe place. Once you're free, I'll pick you up at the landing platform.
This wizard.
Kenzie, door's locked.
Wrong door.
Ooh, nicely done. Well, that didn't go terrible.
Can you quit being a baby and just
Look, lady, we're doing this in my time.
No, you're not.
Kenzie? Oh, where the hell? Oh, I feel like a toilet at a bus stop. I need to get to that platform. Where's Kenzie?
What are you doing?
Give me that. Is this place?
I swear every time I come home it's all, would you bring me? How come I...
Yep, I did that.
There's a human! Soldiers to report any and all misplaced or mishandled abductees immediately.
Is this a spaceship? What the fuck? Oh, I hope you're ready, Kenzie.
processing pod chambers 3 through 8. Your patience is appreciated. Also, just want to highlight that these are notorious for elevated escape attempts. Permission is granted to shoot on site.
Where's this fucking platform?
Not that these carry any number of serious diseases. Exercise caution when approaching or handling the abductees. That Emperor Senior will oversee the celebratory execution of world leaders tonight in the main vault. Attendance is mandatory.
Kinsey! The hell are you? The wrong... Oh, fuck. Tell Zinyak I'm coming for him. Don't worry, I'll be there. Blah, blah, fuck! Kill enough of you, I'll just build a ladder back to Earth. Come at me! I'll kill every last one of you!
Is this on? Can they hear me? Well, hello. I see you're attempting a noble escape. Understandable given your situation, but I urge you to turn back.
The right running mate.
Damn right.
Let me take the stick. I'm getting us out of here.
Gee, Kinsey, thanks for saving my life. Why, thanks, boss. I love being appreciated. Boss, I'm the president now. When did you turn into such a jerk? Surprise, Kinsey. I've always been an asshole.
Thank you. I mean it.
You're not wearing pants.
This just got weird.
A little bit.
Can I fly now?
Knock yourself out.
Wait a minute. You saved Keith David before me?
I, passed by him on the way out.
Well, how did you get out?
Let's just focus on flying, shall we?
You're right. Kinsey, this thing have a radio?
Radio signals bounce around space for...
Oh, yeah. This is my jam.
Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
bullshit, damn it!
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
They're closing us in!
Stay on target.
We're not really leaving the others, are we?
Hell no. But if we're taking the fight to Zinyak, we'll need all the help we can get. Kinsey, can you get in touch with Oleg?
Yeah, we should be in range.
Huh. I always thought Nightblade was just a vampire show.
Oh no, my friend. It is the essence of drama. Hey, you need to take that?
You know anyone with the 217 area code?
Is that St. Louis?
Probably telemarketer.
Oof. Ignore.
Voicemail?
You want me to leave a message? It's all gone.
Well, I'd say this was a productive day.
You're a fucking monster.
Oh, don't act surprised. I told you this would happen.
You killed 7 billion people.
Whoops.
We're done talking.
He's not getting away with this.
You're goddamn right he's not. Kinsey, can you use this thing to place me back in the simulation?
Yeah, I think I should be able...
Do it.
Wait, you want to go back in there? You can't kill Zinyak plugged into a computer.
I can kill a lot of people with a computer.
You, sure. You need help setting the DVR.
If taking over a small part of the simulation led you to me, taking over the whole damn thing has to do something good.
You don't even know what will happen.
She probably does.
The president is right. Whenever the simulation is disrupted, I have a small window to work my way inside the Zin security network. The more it's disrupted, the more time I'll have to map out Zinyak's mothership. I can identify structural weakness, locate where they're keeping our friends.
And find Zinyak.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
When historians look back on the fall of the Zin Empire, this will be the defining moment. An act that was supposed to demoralize, galvanized, and a course was set that the Saints could never back down from. But even more monumental is this. If the Earth was not destroyed, pragmatism would have won over desperation, and the Saints would never have been reunited with the most dangerous man in all of history, Johnny Gat. But ever as always, I'm getting ahead of myself. Like all good stories, the second act begins with a call to action and the building of a robot.